Is November 1st, so I'm going to head to the Dia de los Muertos.
Yesterday I lost the battle, trying at all costs, oh, to keep you, baby. Oh, to keep you, baby. Now I hurt so bad. All I feel is sad that I lost you, baby. Oh, I lost you.
See how convenient this is? I literally just pulled barbecue rib 300 grams, frozen sour pork ribs, and I have a whole bunch of other meals here, and I basically just pull it and defrost it, and then my dinner's done.
As the leaves start to change, I can feel a surge of energy in this city. I'm falling more and more in love with New York. It's just so beautiful, and with so much happening and such variety of experiences to enjoy. Seriously, where else can you find a dog Halloween parade? I love the irony of it. In a metropolis of over 8 million people, I found the strongest sense of community I've ever experienced.
Sorry.
Waited for so long. This is the moment. 지나온 추억들에 사랑을 더해. Let me have you pull me closer. 너의 곁에 지켜줄게.
Thank you. Hi. Can I please have one peanut and one red bean mochi?
With no obligations besides laundry, I'm gonna take it easy and do a lazy Sunday today. That reminds me, I still have my mochis from yesterday.
Peanut butter, and one is red bean. I guess the one with the red dot is the red bean, so let's see. Really soft inside. Softer than I expected. Let me try the peanut one. And it's 2 for $1.50. I like the peanut one better. I think the peanut balances out a little bit because it's a bit salty.
Carving our initials in the tree.
Got French fries, and then I've got diced mangoes. Today is November 1st, so I'm going to head to the Dia de los Muertos.
Essentially a welcoming party for the spirits of those who have passed, inviting them back to enjoy the offerings prepared. This celebration has deep roots, particularly from the Aztecs and other pre-Hispanic cultures. They believe that the spirits of the deceased return to their communities once a year. Each ofrenda tells a story of lives lived, laughter shared, and memories created. Each item on the ofrenda has a purpose. The marigolds to lead the spirits home, sugar scouts to remind us that death is just another pit stop. Pan de Muerto, or bread of the dead, represents the connection between the living and the dead. Remember the Disney cartoon Coco? They were celebrating Dia de Muertos in the movie too. I never thought a holiday about death could be so vibrant and life-affirming. It's so nice to see people from different backgrounds come together to learn about and celebrate Mexican traditions. I also love that the celebration emphasizes that death is not an ending, but another form of existence.
To see people from different backgrounds come together to learn about and celebrate Mexican traditions. I also love that the celebration emphasizes that death is not an ending, but another form of existence. Panaderia Rosetta, the famous Mexico City bakery led by Chef Elena Regadas, recently popped up in New York City for 3 days to celebrate Dia de Muertos. Regadas, named Best Female Chef by the world's 50 best restaurants in 2014, is known for her exceptional baking. They're particularly known for their pan de muerto, floured with orange blossom and rolled in sugar. During peak season, they produce 500 loaves daily and it sells out before the day ends. They also offer a delicious guava roll filled with fresh guava jam and soft cheese. It's simply heavenly. As my Spanish teacher shared, pan de muerto is best enjoyed with Mexican hot chocolate, spiced with cinnamon and vanilla. Don't forget to chopea or dunk the bread into the hot chocolate for that perfect combination. Living in New York City is an adventure filled with warmth, community, and surprises around every corner. Where else can you experience a dog Halloween parade, randomly bump into a famous K-pop band at a park, and celebrate Dia de Muertos all in 1 week?